Every hour, an astonishing 50,000 aloe vera leaves are carefully harvested from sprawling farms. Each leaf holds the secret to a powerful natural remedy. Observe as the rich, juicy gel is extracted and pours smoothly into large containers. This gel is the heart of the aloe vera product. The clear aloe gel looks ready for packaging, but there's a surprising twist. It must undergo several critical purification steps to ensure safety and quality. Freshly harvested aloe vera leaves arrive in crates, unloaded with care to preserve their integrity and freshness for processing. Skilled workers meticulously inspect each leaf, selecting only the highest quality specimens free from blemishes or damage. The aloe leaves then cascade down a washing conveyor where they're thoroughly cleansed, removing dirt and impurities from the surface. The filleting machine slices through the thick, spiny leaves, exposing the translucent gel inside. This process is precise and efficient. The extracted aloe gel is transported to an industrial mixer, where it's blended into a smooth and uniform consistency, ready for further refinement. To guarantee purity, the blended aloe gel flows through fine sieves that filter out any remaining solids or impurities. The filtered gel then enters the pasteurizer, where it's gently heated to eliminate any harmful pathogens, preserving its natural benefits. After pasteurization, the aloe gel is carefully cooled to maintain its freshness and nutrient content before packaging. The cooled aloe gel is dispensed into individual tubes with precision, ensuring consistent volume in every package. Workers seal the tubes using advanced machinery, locking in freshness and preventing contamination during transport. This sophisticated process produces thousands of aloe gel tubes every single hour, showcasing impressive industrial scale. Automated labeling machines apply carefully designed labels to each tube, providing product information and branding. Workers then box the labeled tubes, preparing them for shipment while ensuring they remain protected during transit. The packed boxes are stacked systematically and moved to cold storage facilities, preserving the gel's quality until it reaches consumers. And as one batch is finalized, the next begins immediately, maintaining a continuous flow of aloe vera gel production. Subscribe